Okay, guys, I'm audible to you.
Yes, sir.
The
Yes,
screen,
sir.
the screen is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay, let me
yes,
start with some basic concepts of acidity and basicity. Very easy stuff. Okay, so we don't have to uh, we don't have to do any conceptual stuff over here. A lot concepts is not there, but what we have to do is we have to practice more and more questions so that we will understand more. I will tell you the basic concept which is there. Okay, and you can let me know if you have, for example, any doubts in acid, because it has been taught in your class, right? So if you have any doubts in acidity or basicity, that you can ask me right now. Okay, so first I will tell you what is the basics of acid and basicity is, and then we'll go ahead with what so few questions, and in the meantime you can ask me the doubts also, so that complete the session. Okay, so we'll start. So what is acidity? Imagine this is there CS3, or the best thing to say is how do we determine acidity? So how do we determine acidity? See, imagine if you write a compound, for example. So what are acids? Acids are something which donate H positive, right? So and basicity is something which attacks, basic compounds are something which will attacks H positive. This is the difference between the two when we check. Okay, so when we talk about acidity, again we are checking how easily it can donate H positive. Okay, so how do we check that? See, imagine this compound is there, CS3COH. Always when we have to compare acidity in organic compounds, what you will do? First, you will take out the H plus, because acidity is what? You have to take out H plus. So it will be CS3CO negative plus H plus. Okay. So imagine you have to compare two compounds. Imagine one is this compound A, another is this compound B. For example, you can take this. Okay. So how do you compare acidity? First, you will write like this. Remove the H plus first and check for the stability of carbon ion. And more the stability of the carbon ion, more acidic the compound is. Okay. So more stability of carbon ion, more acidic the compound is. Very simple topic. Okay. So that you will understand from here only. See, imagine this is their CS3, CO negative. Okay. So negative means what basically, if you have to understand over here, H plus is there, right? And the other carbon ion which is formed over here will be what? CS2, Cl, CO negative, right? So Cl, which is over here, right, shows it is electron withdrawing group, right? High electronegative, so it shows minus I effect. And when someone pulls the electron from CO negative, right, this is rich. Rich wants to become what? Poor, right? So this CO negative will neutralize. So this will be more acidic as compared to this. I'll repeat it again if it's not clear to you. What is happening over here? I'm not sure of what you got it, so I will just explain it in a bit easier way out. This Cl shows minus I effect. What is this minus I effect? This minus I effect means it will pull the electron density towards itself. Okay. So always remember, when this anion is there, negative is there, we want to make it a neutral compound. Okay, neither negative is stable, neither positive is stable. So if we want to stabilize this negative over here, right, we need to withdraw the electron density, right? All, or we can say what, rich wants to become poor, so this is rich, we want to withdraw the electron density, and when something is positive would happen there, we need to give electron density to make it stable. So when this compound is there, the rich is there, rich wants to become poor, or you can say what, we need to neutralize the negative, which is the rich. How we can neutralize it? By withdrawing the electron density, and it will come towards what, neutrality. So this will be more acidic as compared to what, CS3CO negative, or this will be more this will be more stabilized as compared to this, and more stable the anion, more acidic the compound is. This is the funda of basic acidity. Is this clear, or should I explain a different way out if this is not clear to you? Bolo beta, Dale, is it clear to you?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yeah.
Divija? Divija, no.
Sir,
Yeah, is it clear Divija
yes,
to you?
yes,
Ishan?
sir.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Kalyani?
Yes, sir.
Rohan, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Sanskrit, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You're which Sanskriti? NPS one or which one?
MPS.
Oh, NPS one. Okay. We have done this, man, Sanskriti, in the class. This is the same thing only. This is,
So the CCP, I had doubts on the CCP.
tell me which doubts you had.
1 second, I'll open.
Right. You can take the doubts. Okay. So basically, this is the concept of what? Acidity. I'll repeat it again. How do we check the acidity? First, we remove the H plus. Okay. And how it goes by? You will form carbon ion, which is CS3, CO negative, anything, any carbon ion you will form, you will remove H plus and then check for the stability of carbon ion. Let me pick some basic questions so that you will understand more on what kind of questions actually come in the exams also. Give me a second. Okay. This says question, we have to arrange them in increasing order of acidity. So these are the compound that they have given. Okay. So if we have to compare this acidity over here, what you will check for? First, you will remove H plus. So if I remove H plus from the first compound, what you will get? When you remove negative, right? And when you remove from here H plus, you will get negative this. And when you remove it from here, minus H plus, you will get what? This compound. So negative will come over here, right? So basically, what is it? Which is the more stable carbon ion? See, this compound will undergo conjugation like this, right? And they how many pi electrons? 6 pi electrons. So Huckel's rule, right? 4n plus 2 pi rule. So it will obey Huckel's rule, right? So compound is what? Aromatic, very stabilized, and more stable the carbon ion, more acidic the compound. Is that fine? And this will undergo resonance, and this undergoes almost nothing. The plus I will be there, right? So else nothing is there, right? So this resonance is more stabilized. So here order will be what? 3, 2, 1. Order of acidity. Any doubts over here? Is this clear?
No, sir.
Yes, sir. No doubts.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll take up one more easy questions. Okay. See what I have been told to do basic question. If you want me to pick up difficult question, you can let me know. I can pick that also. Okay. If you, for example, if you find this question easy, what I am doing right now, all of you will take. We can take up the complex advanced question also if you want. Okay. Oh, this question we cannot do it. We'll pick up the easier one only first. Imagine this is their NO2. What will be the order of acidity? Try this question.
Sir, may I answer?
Yes, please.
So is it 1 greater than 4, greater than 3, greater than 2,
1 greater
greater
than.
than 4,
Okay.
greater than 3,
Okay.
greater than 2?
No, not at all right. This is OCS3.
Or 4 greater than 1?
No, not right. Still not right. Dale will help me out.
Yes, sir.
Dale, what will be the order over here?
So one will be the most stable,
Right.
then four to nine.
Sanskriti, what will be the order over here?
So one has minus M and minus
Right.
I.
Okay. So which will be more dominant? Minus M, right? So when we talk about CS3, this will have what? Plus H. Plus H will be more dominant, right? Plus I will be also there, but dominant will be plus H. Here the more dominant will be plus M and minus I, but dominant will be plus M only, right? So how do we check? We remove H plus and check for negativity, right? Remove H plus, check for negative. Negative, right? So here we are doing what? If we donate electron density, negative is becoming more negative. Do we want that? No, right? We need to bring the electron density. This will make it very, very unstable. And plus H also will make it unstable only. But which is more stronger effect? Plus M. This will make it the most unstable. So fourth will come in the last. Then what will come? 2. This is doing nothing, right? So here we'll put it 3. And 1 is showing minus M, pulling the electron density away from it. So we have to withdraw the electron density for minus, right, to make it stable. So then 1 will be more stable. So option will be what? 1, 3, 2, 4. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Devij, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Sure. You're in TCS, right? We
Yes,
have
sir.
met earlier, right? If I'm not
Yes.
wrong. Long
Yes,
back.
sir.
Right, right, right.
Sir, now I'm in batch 3. Don't worry. I'm not in last batch.
Ha, but that batch even doesn't exist, right? But
Yes.
I remember that you used to sit in the first bench, so we met earlier, right? One time.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So you're doing well, right?
Yes,
Good,
sir. I've upgraded my
good,
badge.
good.
So
Great. This is clear, Divija?
yes,
Okay.
sir.
We'll take up the next stuff. Right. Let me take out some easier questions. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, we'll pick this first. Tell the order over here. संस्कृति क्वेश्चन कौन सा था जो तुम बोल रहे थे? पूछ लो, मैं डिस्कस कर लेता हूँ साथ साथ.
So should I tell the question number or
I don't have
is
the
it
CC.
the four? Okay.
You have your phone with you.
No, I'm on my tab.
You have your dad's phone, right, with you.
Yeah.
You can send me a WhatsApp image, right?
Yes, sir.
That will be a better option, right?
I'll
Or if you,
send it on.
right. If you can share over here, you can share also. I'm not sure how to share over here.
So I'll send it.
Okay. You send to me only, right? Okay, you will send it. Okay, done, done, done.
So is it 3214?
Is it
Yes.
3, 2, 1, 4? Right. So this is what
Yes.
order of acidity. Is that fine?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Without the yes, right? So this is what the basic acidity means. Okay. What else? Let's talk about a bit of basicity also. Okay, let's talk about this question. Imagine this is there. So we are increasing the level, okay, right now. HOH is there. HO COCS3 OH CS3 CS3 OH CS2 CS3. Now you have to give the order. 3 will come. Oh, okay, 3 has written it down. See, this is CS3, okay. Doesn't seem like CS3. I'll write it down. First, what is the first step, Divija? First, you will remove H.
Yes, sir.
Remove H first, and then you will get the stability order yourself.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, am I audible?
You are audible to me, right?
Okay, actually I got disconnected in between. I'm sorry.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. You'll remove H and then you'll have the stability order.
Okay, so what you will get? OH negative, COCS3, O negative, like this. O negative, CS2, CS3.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the order over there.
Sir, I sent the picture.
Right, right. I will discuss.
Is it 2431, sir?
Is it what? 2, 4,
431.
Let's check. This is resonance stabilized, so very much stable, right? So why 4 greater than 3? So this will show what? O negative, CS2, CS3, which is there. This will show plus I effect, right?
Yeah.
Plus I means what? It will give electron density to oxygen, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it will
Yeah.
destabilize or stabilize it.
Destabilize.
So think
2, 1, 3, 4.
so 2, 1, okay. You're comparing 3 and 4. Okay. So imagine
Oh,
CS3,
4 or 3. Sorry.
C, CS3, CS3, O negative. So how many, this plus I, right? This much plus I. And over here, this plus I. So which will be more stronger? This one or this one?
First one.
The first one will
First
have
one.
more, the plus first one will have more plus I, right? Got it?
Yes,
So
sir.
this will destabilize it, na?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
So order will be what? 2, 1,
4, 3.
4, 3.
4.
You're understanding, right? Why it is destabilizing it? Rich wants to become
Yes, sir.
poor, wants to become rich. Negative doesn't want to become more negative. It wants to what? Withdraw
Mm.
electric density. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubts over here? Ishan is there. Ishan, you're from
No, sir.
which school? I don't remember. I've taught you earlier.
No, sir. I'm from TCIS.
TCS. Okay. We have not met earlier.
No, sir.
Okay. Which of the following is the weakest acid? Okay. You know how to take the acidity, right? So we'll do it over here. Imagine this is there. So we are increasing the level, right? So this won't be that easy also. Take your time. This was CCT only, but I know I want the reason also. They're asking for the weakest acid.
Sir, are the first and third same?
Hmm, first and third. Oh yes. Let me see the question properly again. Where is it? Where is it? OH will come at the meta position, right?
So should we tell only one of the options or we tell the order?
Sorry,
Should we tell the order or only one of the options?
you have to tell the order. No, the weakest acid only. But you can tell me the order also if you want to. Order is a better option.
Sir, I got the order as 4-3-2-1.
You got the order as what?
4-3-2-1.
4, 3, 2, 1. Can you explain the reason over here?
So in every compound it is resonance stabilized, but it is also showing inductive effect, and inductive effect is distance dependent.
Right.
The closer you are, the more inductive effect. So fourth one is the most stable, then third, then second, then first.
Let's go one by one. Okay. Let's go one by one. Okay. So since Sanskriti has asked this question, we'll go with her only. Sanskriti over here in OH, What effect it will show?
Sir, I thought it'll show minus M.
Why it will show minus M
Oxygen,
then? Lone pair, double
oxygen would
bond.
like to pull.
Sorry.
Oxygen would like to pull the electrons in the ring.
Okay, what is plus M or minus M? So basically, when you are saying, for example, NH2 over here, right? Imagine NH2 is there. So this will show plus M only, na? Whenever lone pair and double bond is in conjugation, it will show what? Plus M only, na?
Plus.
And when double bond and double bond is conjugation, it shows what generally? Minus M, right? So how do we check for acidity? By removing basically CO negative will come over here, right? So this will donate electron density inside. Is that fine? So this will show what? Plus M over here,
Plus M.
right? And it will also show what? Minus I, right? Over here, what will happen? When you, so they've asked for the weakest acid, right? Weakest means what? So basically this will destabilize CO negative. Is that fine? So
What
it is
about the fourth option?
coming to it one by one. Okay. Here what happened? This will show plus M. This won't show plus M. By because I will use the next slide to explain you better first. For example, when we talk about OH, OH shows plus M effect. Why? Because whenever lone pair and double bond is in conjugation, it shows plus M. Plus M means what? Partial negative will come at what? Ortho and para position. Right? Imagine something like this is there. Any aldehyde group or COH group is there, for example. This will double bond conjugation and double bond. Here the partial positive will come at what? Ortho and para, and this will show minus M. Sanskrit, this is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So plus M, partial negative comes at what? Ortho and para, right? So in this case, when we calculate, partial negative will come at what? Ortho and para. And it will destabilize the CO negative, right? When H plus positive comes out. Is this clear, Sanskriti?
Yes, sir.
When we talk over here, this will again show plus M, but at ortho and para, right? So partial negative, partial negative, partial negative. So partial negative is not coming over here. So this won't show plus M. This will show what? Minus I. Is that clear, Sanskriti?
Yes, sir.
Okay. COH, OH, it is there, right? So see, here it is difficult to take out H over here, right? Even though it will show plus M, right? Plus M is partial negative will come over here, partial negative will come over here. You can say minus I is also coming, that will stabilize more because minus I is near to COH, right? But what happens in this case, what logic you have to use over here, that this COH and this OH, right? This this will undergo what? Hydrogen bonding.
Hydrogen bond.
So it is difficult to remove that H.
So will that be strongest?
Which one?
Last
Right.
one.
We cannot compare exactly because here plus M is also coming into play. That's why they have not asked for the order though. Right, it will depend on what they have asked properly, right? But here what we can check over here, uh how to check over here, right? So this is will be kind of strong, but this will be also impactful over here. Okay, no, this will be strongest. This will be because minus I is closer anyway over here, right? So this is the strongest exactly. Then what will come? C, then what will come? A, and then what will come? B. D, C, A, B will be the order. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure. To everyone else, it's not that easy. Okay. I don't know like how it has been taught to you in respective classes, but it's not that easy. Is it clear to you? Whosoever asked the question? Are bolo.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it, is it clear?
Yes,
Yes.
yes, clear.
Okay. Divya, over here, did you understand what we did over here?
Yes, sir. Clearly understood.
Okay. Rohan, you are from Primus, right? If I'm not wrong. Rohan is there also in the class. He was there earlier. Oh, he left. Very nice. Okay. Okay. Next one. One more kind of question which we are seeing. Arrange the protons shown in decreasing Siddhant, why have you joined so late, man? Oh, he disappeared. What is happening? Okay. Arrange the proton shown in decreasing order of it. Decreasing order of bond energy. Okay. So I will tell you a trick to solve this question. Okay. Okay. So what actually happens over here? See, this is HC, HG, HB, HA. Okay. So Sanskriti, what we have to understand over here, arrange the proton shown decreasing order of bond energy. They're asking which bond energy will be maximum. Okay. So Sanskriti, what is the law? First, I will tell the logic. Imagine this HA is there. When you remove HA, you will, though this will be easily removed HA, right? So HA will be what? Easily removed. When we see it over here, right? This HA will be easily removed. If HA is easily removed from here, right? Because it will be resonance stabilized, right? So its bond energy will be a bit less. Is that clear? So if something can be easily removed, its bond energy will be less. And if something can be moved in a difficult way, right? Then its bond energy will be more. Is that clear, Sanskriti?
Yes, sir.
And what is the trick over here? We check for what? So basically, order of bond energy, how we check? Order of bond energy for proton. In case of proton, V is this is inversely proportional to the stability of free radical.
So we did a similar question in class, but
Right.
my answer is not matching to what they've given. So I had a
Let's,
doubt in that.
let's see. Okay. So let's check for we check for stability of free radicals, right? So let's check.
So, but think
Hmm.
for proton, you have to check minus.
See, there are two ways to do it. Otherwise, if we do it from that way, that will also come fine. But when we check, this is the logic is -1 only. Okay. We did it in the class -1 only.
No, sir, we did it with radical.
We did
Even
radical
I
method. Then let me
Akash said the question and he said, try
uh,
it again with minus sign, but I'm still not getting the answer.
now we'll get with radical only, na? Wait, what is the answer they have given? HB, HC, HA, HD. Okay. So if we do it with radical, for example, this radical will come over here. Okay. So if we check this radical, we'll check all the radicals, right? So this is resonance stabilized. So this is fine. Okay. So this will be stabilized. Least stabilized will be HB. This one. Because this is exactly on double bond. Okay. So least stabilized HB will come first because this will be an sp2 carbon, right? sp2 radical is what? Electron deficient species. So on sp2, it will withdraw more electron density. This will be very much unstable. Okay. Now we have to compare the others. So when we compare, for example, HA and HD, imagine you remove D. This will be also what? A lilac radical. This will be stabilized by this double bond. Plus, this is stabilized by this plus I, or by what do we call it? You can also call it with what? A hyperconjugation also, right? So this will be a lilac also plus I. This will be the most stable. HD. So HD is coming in last. Then HA will come in terms of stability, and then HC will come. HC is normally 1 degree. What mistake were you making?
Sir, I think I asked Akash sir and he said when it says proton you should use negative charge. So with negative charge I was getting
Always
Hg
go with
before Hg.
stability of free radical. This questions we go with free radicals. Negatively
Yes, sir.
explain it, but to get the answer, free radical is the best one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How did I tell you in the what do we call it in the class? With radical or an ion?
So in class you said radical.
So we go with radical only.
Okay.
Is that fine? So radical you're getting the right answer, right? This is the answer they have marked.
Yes, sir. When we were discussing this in class with Akash sir,
Right.
he said you use negative sign. So when we use negative sign, you get HD and HA reverse in the order. So I had that doubt when it
No,
came in
no,
the
no, no,
CC.
no. I will have a like discussion with him, but with what we have, whatever questions we have solved till in bond energy, right? Radical will always give you the right answer. Okay, radical will always give you the right answer. Is that fine? To all the other people over here, what we did, they asked for what? Arrange the proton shown in the decreasing order of bond energy. Very common question. And how do we check it? By bond energy. So basically, you will remove everything and put radical in it one by one. And more the stability of the radical, what is there, right? The lesser the bond energy it will have. Is that clear what we did over here? This was a CCT question which we discussed. Is this clear? Bolo bhai. Is it clear? Dale, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Sure. I didn't explain it much, or should I explain it?
No, sir, understood.
Okay.
So your screen is frozen for me.
Sorry?
Screen is frozen for me.
Is it frozen for everyone?
No, sir.
Okay.
It's like it's quite shaken and okay, I'll just refresh.
Please. It's if it's fine for everyone, na, so that way. Okay. Chalo. We'll pick some more questions. Okay. Let me see if I
Sir,
can.
I think
Right.
I'm
Tell
done
me.
with my doubts. So can I leave?
वेट तुम्हारे लिए क्वेश्चन उठा रहा हूँ थोड़े से मुश्किल से रुको वेट करो
Okay.
ओके Okay, guys, this is a bit what do we call it? Not that easy question. 73 one, okay? Try the 73rd question. I'm telling you it's difficult, but if you understand, things will become very, very easy. Order though, and with the reason.
So can you repeat the question number?
73rd. अब ये 12th की एडवांस असाइनमेंट है ना संस्कृति वो है ये Anyone can answer. First, remove H positive. Whatever you find more acidic H, right? Remove that. You will get your answers. Kalyani, you are from which school? We have met earlier.
So TCRs, but I don't think you taught me. I think you did substitution like once.
I came to your class sometime.
Once because my teacher was absent or something.
And who is your teacher?
Right now it's Akash, sir. But it
Akash.
like kept changing.
Okay. Try this. You understood what we did in the class, Kalyani?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Even if you have basics doubt, now you can let me know because I don't teach you, right? So I'm not sure what like how much basics you know. So you can help me out if you're not
Yes,
understanding
sir.
the basic. Okay,
No, my organic is fine, sir.
that's good. So this answer, man, some difficult question also. Then anyone who gets the answer, please let me know. We can try.
Sir, I'm not sure,
Right,
but I think answer should be B. QPR.
because QPR sounds good.
No, it's because Q is more stabilized, and that's why it
How
will
how
be more
how Q
acidic.
is stabilized?
So can I show you?
How will you show me?
I'll turn on my camera and show it to you just a second.
Okay. Right. Thought with this is fine, but but we have to answer is I guess it can be right. Uh, okay, okay. Nice. Right, QPR is the right answer, but I still need the right explanation properly. Sanskrit
My
समझ आया?
explanation is still not clear.
It's clear, but it's not what I'm expecting. I will
Okay,
tell you when I explain. I will tell you more. Okay.
okay.
Okay. See, this compound is there, which I have drawn the right. This negative that you get, this will be resonance stabilized over here, resonance stabilized over here also. But same thing should happen with P also, right? Same thing should happen with P also. So what will happen over here when a negative comes, right? This will also undergo like resonance over here. This will also undergo resonance over here. Both are going resonance, right? This is also undergoing resonance. This is also undergoing resonance. But this is ester, right? This is also undergoing what? Resonance. So what I'm trying to explain over here, imagine this is there and this is there. Okay. Else, if this is there, so what is happening when you remove negative from here? H positive from when negative will come. So this will be resonance stabilized. This will be resonance stabilized. So double resonance is very happy, man. Very happy in life. This also will undergo resonance like this. This will also undergo resonance file like this. So this is also happy. But how to compare which will be more acidic? But this is what ester over here. Oxygen is over there. So oxygen also undergoes this over here. So this oxygen, when you see now, which I am saying, it undergoes 50% resonance with this, and 50% time it will undergo what? Resonance with this. Right? But here it will undergo 100% resonance with this and 100% resonance with this. But in the to the left, it will do 50% resonance only because this is already doing resonance with what? This compound, and this is also doing with this. So resonance, it will happen only by 50%. And it is going by what? 100%. So Q is more stable than P. And in R, when we see, right, the previous one, when we see the over here, right, when we put negative over here, only one is there resonance stabilized. So outer will be what? Q, P, R. It can be a bit tricky, but is it, Kalyani, is it clear to you? Or once again,
Yes, sir.
it's not an easy question. There are cross
No, I
conjugation
understood.
happening, right? It's a cross conjugation which is happening over here. Is that fine? Proper mains level questions is there.
Yes, sir.
Is that
Yes, sir. Understood.
संस्कृति समझ आया?
Yes, sir.
एक और क्वेश्चन हो जाए तुम्हारे लिए. ये तो मैंने आंसर ही सॉल्व कर रखे हैं यार. देखो.
सर क्या ये एग्जाम्पलर है कि ये मॉड्यूल्स है सर?
अरे ये एडवांस लेवल है सारे क्वेश्चंस. मॉड्यूल नहीं है ये. हम एडवांस जो एडवांस आज ना 12th के उसके लिए प्रिपेयर करते
ओके
हैं. ठीक है. तो मैं
ओके
करवाना है तो अच्छे से बेसिक क्वेश्चन तो कर लिया हमने. यू अंडरस्टूड द बेसिक्स वंस, राइट? तो
यस
मैं
सर
थोड़ा एडवांस तो में हो ही जाए छोटे छोटे, है ना. एक सेकंड. अच्छा ढूंढ रहा हूँ ऐसे क्वेश्चन एक बारी. हाँ चलो ये ट्राई करोगे. दिस इज ऑल्सो गुड वन. सेम कॉन्सेप्ट विच वी डिड. ओके, ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर. ओके चलो इसको ट्राई करो. फोर्टी एट. ओके 48. संस्कृति आंसर तुम्हारे से आना चाहिए अभी.
Sir,
यस.
is it D?
I need the order. And the answer is not D.
So order of strength.
Order of acidity,
Is
strongest
it D greater than
right? D greater than.
C
Hmm.
greater than B greater than E? But
Nah.
I don't have logic for my feeling.
No,
Sir,
no, no.
mine is completely opposite, sir. I
Tell
got
me.
yeah
I
yeah,
B.
something.
Mine I got B is greater than A is greater than C is greater than D.
Okay, one possibility. So I will take all other answers.
But
This
That
is
is
wrong.
what I.
DC one is wrong. That is for sure.
Sir,
BACD right.
I think it should be B greater than C greater than A greater than D.
Okay. 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 We'll discuss. संस्कृति बोलो बेटा.
BACD.
BACD गलत है मेरे हिसाब से. Kalyani, you told me, you didn't tell me the answer till now, right? कर दो guess.
sir, I was the first one who told you.
Oh, I thought it's Divija. Sorry, I don't know your voice right that way. Divija, answer बोलो.
Yeah.
सर बोला ना B greater than C greater
अच्छा
than
तुम्हारा
A
था.
greater
अच्छा
than
अब
D.
बचा कौन है?
हाँ.
सब तो है. डेल बची है. डेल आंसर बोलो.
सर मुझे ABCD.
ABCD. मुझे तो खुद मैं डेल के साथ जा रहा हूँ भाई. Let's see. Okay. Anything in a possibility when I don't know. Let's see. Okay. Let's go by one. Let's go with D first. Okay. So what you will do negative over here. Okay. Let's compare C and D. Negative over here. So this is undergoing what? Conjugation. So this will undergo 50% conjugation and this will undergo 100% conjugation, right? And here, this will 50%, 50%. Is that fine? So this conjugation will be very much less. So 50%, 50% because here it is going 50% anyway, right? Here it will go one place, it will go 50%, this conjugation, and other place will go 100. So proper conjugation means more resonance. So C is greater than D. So this is right. Is that fine? Now let's compare A and B. Okay, now let's compare A and B. So negative will come over here and one negative will come over here. He will stabilize it like this. One will stabilize like this, right? So it is resonance stabilized. Okay, but this is also resonance stable. This will be also 100% resonance stabilized. This will be also 100% resonance stabilized. I will use the next slide. See, what is the question? So negative will come. This is also 100% stabilized. Resonance stabilized on the left. This is also 100%. This is also 100%. This is also 100%. Well and good. So if everything is 100%, what we'll check for? Now we check for what? Plus I. Is that fine? So here CS3 will show what? Plus I. Negative is there, na? Plus I. Here also CS3 will show what? Plus I. But here this will show plus I. This will also show plus I. CS3, CS2. This will show better plus I. So more the plus I, negative will do what? Will destabilize, right? So when we compare A and B, which will be more acidic?
A.
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 So this is destabilizing a bit. Is that fine? So A greater than, so here what is happening? 100% is happening over here. Here 100% is happening over here. Here also 100%, here also 100%. So we check for what? I. So I is very much destabilizing this. So A should be greater than B. And here what is happening? Here 50% is there, 100%. So this is less only resonance. This 50%, 50%. This is very less. So a correct order will be what? A, B, C, D.
A, B, C.
Is that clear?
Okay, yes, sir.
Kalyani, clear, right? Sure.
Yes, sir. I don't know what I was
So,
thinking.
but isn't resonance on a ring better than the open chain?
You cannot say that. You cannot say that. It will depend on what kind of thing is happening. Where here we have considered plus I, right? We have not considered any concept.
Okay, sir.
एक और निकालते हैं एसिडिटी का. चलो ये निकाल लो, इजी क्वेश्चन है 40 वाला. ऑर्डर बोलो. दिस इज इजी, राइट?
S, Q, R, P.
SQ
R,
R.
P.
Okay. Anyone who has a different answer? This is right. Because Cl is more. And here Br and Cl compare. Cl will have better minus I effect as compared to Br. But inductive effect
But distance.
as said earlier, it is what? Distance effect, right? So this will be better. This will stabilize more. Is that fine? So this order is absolutely correct. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
और easy questions देखते हैं मेरे को. मुश्किल हो जाएगा ये. एक सेकेंड. ओके, ये करो 30 वाला. 30 इज गुड क्वेश्चन. ट्राई लाविल. दिस इज द लास्ट क्वेश्चन. ठीक है. Try the 31. You have to remove an H plus. Wherever you find is the most acidic, and then it compare its stability.
Sir, isn't PQRS?
No. PQ is less or highest. This one, A option.
Yes, sir.
No.
So is it option number B?
Option number B. No.
Sir, it should be C because of minus I effect, I think.
Next D बोल देना.
नहीं, sir, C है पक्का पक्का.
एक सेकंड. Q R
Q
S.
R S P.
सही तो है भाई. ये this is right. Why C?
Ring.
When you take CO negative and COH, right? You remove one H plus. So COH will show what? Minus I, na? So it will stabilize
That's
it.
what I said. Minus I effect.
Right. Your explanation is right. I got it. Okay. CS2, COH. This will also minus I, but this is far from the first center, right? So this minus I will be far more better as compared to this. This is more further far. So order will be what? Q, R, S, and nothing is happening over here. Minus I stabilizing it, right? So what next word will come? P will come. So the correct answer is what? Q,
Q R S P.
R, S, P, C1. Sanskrit clear hai?
Yes, sir. I thought nothing is happening in P, so be that.
Why nothing will happen? मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा तुम्हें छोड़ने का, but
Sir, एक और question, please.
क्वेश्चन बहुत है यार, बस तुम डिमांड रखो. चलो ये इजी हो जाएगा. 28th वाला राइट. 27th वाला भी इजी हो जाएगा अब. अच्छा हम रेजोनेंस में आ गए. एक सेकंड, इजी वाले क्वेश्चन करते हैं. समझ लो, इसे से कर लो. मोस्ट स्टेबल फॉलिंग, दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ एसिडिटी ओनली वन काइंड, राइट? दिस इज द इजियर वन. 27th लगाओ. चलो देन लगाना 26th. थोड़ा सा टफ है, थोड़ा टफ साइड में है, ठीक है? बट फर्स्ट अप्लाई 27, देन अप्लाई 26th. बोलो 27 तो इजी है.
Sir, QRSP.
QRSP.
Sir, even I think it's A.
ठीक है, अब सब बोल रहे तो सही होगा, बट लेट मी चेक. CS2 negative, so CS it will show minus M.
Sir, I don't think it should be A.
Nice, good. What should be the right answer?
I think it should be B.
Is it D?
Okay, we have different.
Either B or D. It can't be A. It
Very
is
nice.
But
very,
no, but
either say A, B, C, D. or
CH3.
नहीं, C तो नहीं होगा sir. A
Right,
and
go
C
with
नहीं
A.
होगा. B.
Let's
B.
see. Let's see.
It
Okay.
won't be D, but
It will be B.
Okay. B and somebody said C
Yes.
also, right? Who went for C?
I did.
And your name is?
But now I'm questioning my decision. Kalyani.
Let's see na. And who went for B?
Sir, Divija.
Divija.
संस्कृति बेटा, तुम भी बोलो, तुम भी क्लास में हो, कोई ऑर्डर तो बोल दो.
A.
Sir, I go with A.
ए भाई साहब, ये अलग अलग सब. Okay, let's see. See, minus m is there, right? This was a minus m and minus I. Minus m is what? More what prevalent, so it will stabilize this negative, which is good. Over here, R is there, okay? This shows plus m, lone pair, but which is more evident over here, minus I is more prominent, right? This we know in this case. CS3 shows what? Plus H. So plus H will destabilize it by giving electron density to negative, right? And both of this will stabilize. This will also show what? Plus M.
So
So this
even
will
more
destabilize more, right? So which will destabilize more? Plus M or plus H? Plus M will, because this has stronger effect, that will destabilize more. So P will be least, then S. And when we talk about QR, which will stabilize, both are stabilizing,
M
right? But which will
minus M.
stabilize more? Minus M will stabilize more. So order will be what? QRSP. बताओ यार, B और C में लड़ रहे थे. Is that clear? Whosoever said it?
Yes, sir.
Kalyani clear है?
Yes, sir. Sir, but in my, I
Right.
think then I wrote wrong.
What
Because
you wrote?
we did a similar question and I have the order written, but it's wrong.
Right, right. This is the right answer. Okay. Over
Yes.
here, which we check for what? सीधा बताओ. संस्कृति बोलो, इसमें क्या चेक करोगे? क्या ऑर्डर होगा? देखते ही आंसर आ जाना चाहिए.
SRQP.
नहीं यार. अब तुम प्लस आई से इसको वो
QRS,
लगा रहे हो ना, पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव कर रहे हो. बट CS3 क्या
QRS.
करता है? नहीं
Sir,
नहीं.
QRSP.
I told you it's tough. It's not easy. See, answer will be what? PQRS. How? See, CS3 is
Hyperconjugation.
generally we apply plus I plus I plus I, right? But there is a thing called hyperconjugation also. यहाँ पे plus H लगता है ना? Plus I से पहले benzene ring में when CS3 is there with the benzene ring. First, what is applied? Plus H, na? And then plus I is
Yes.
applied. So for plus H, how many alpha H? 3. How many alpha H? 2. How many alpha H? 1. How many alpha H over here? 0. More the alpha H, more the hyperconjugate structure, and the answer will be what? PQRS. मैं पहले बोला था tough होगा ये. Is that fine?
Yes,
अरे
sir.
बोल.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear है. चलो. I guess something was clear to you in this class. Revise more in acidity. ठीक है. Now you can leave the class. संस्कृति तुम्हारा NPS में क्या चल रहा है? Else can leave. What is going on?
Sir,
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye 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 bye.
Good night.
Good night. हाँ संस्कृति NPS
sir,
में क्या चल रहा है?
organic is not going on. Organic is over.
Organic is over. Over in the
Yeah.
sense? Over
We
from.
are only doing physical.
Okay. So how organic went? It's closed, right? Everything.
Yes, sir. We finished hydrocarbons and then we did quantitative and qualitative analysis.
कैसा लगा chapter quantitative qualitative?
It was boring.
Okay. And aromatic hydrocarbons, everything is done, right? Alkynes वगैरह.
Yes, sir.
कैसा वो hydrocarbons complete है? Module
Yeah.
बन गया?
Yeah, I have a few doubts, but sir said he'll take a doubt session, I think, so I'll ask.
हाँ next class में वो ले लेंगे, उनको बोल दूंगा, ठीक है? And
Yes,
I
sir.
guess everything is done, right? और कुछ बचा तो नहीं ना?
No. So will we have optical after 11th?
Right. Not after 11th. Once we complete your school exam syllabus, na?
Yeah.
So we don't know when, I don't know when it will happen. So then,
That's on 2nd January.
so as soon as that is done, then we'll start with what optical. First, we want to complete school syllabus first.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, school syllabus खत्म करते हैं, मिलेंगे फिर तुमसे. I will come for optical then directly.
Yes, sir.
Okay, man. Have a good day. If doubts होगा तो you can send me also, right? नहीं मतलब आकाश सर तो है ही obviously, but और भी अगर पूछना हो तो I am there. Okay.
So this time the paper was easy, organic.
It was not easy. It was very very easy. If I would have
Yes,
made
sir.
the paper, I would have been very, like, what do we call it? I would made it very difficult.
The whole chemistry was easy.
बहुत easy बन गया था ना. Even I saw the
Yeah.
paper when the paper was done. Otherwise, I would have changed the paper once. But the
It was
paper,
mostly all old chapters, nothing new came.
right, right, because I didn't see. This is what is happening in other batches also. You understand, right? I didn't make the paper. Other teachers made the paper. So this is what happened. Okay, so if I would have made, I would have kept in mind the first batches also. That way.
Yes, sir.
Advance हो गया था chemistry का.
Advance, I got everything in organic.
Everything in organic.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा वो C14 वाला हो गया था.
Yes, sir.
और cis trans.
Yeah, that one I had a doubt. I think I attempted it, but I think I got it wrong.
अभी
Only
क्या?
that one.
Now you're saying everything you got right.
So I forgot that one.
Confirmations.
Yeah, I got that.
ठीक है 10 membered ring में ना जो cis alkene होता है ना is more stable than trans alkene.
I checked that after the exam.
हाँ कर लेना चेक. ठीक
Yes,
है
sir.
चल चलो चलो डू वेल कुछ होगा तो लेट मी नो. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
एंड कितने आए केमिस्ट्री में तुम्हारे?
In mains,
राइट.
91. I left one question. One I made a silly mistake in physical.
Okay. And in maths and physics?
Maths and physics, I think I got around 50 in both.